It's very easy to change default icon of empty recycle bin. Let's see how to do it. Right-click on Desktop. Choose Personalize. Click on Themes, presented left side of the window. Click on Desktop Icon Settings. Click on Empty Recycle Bin icon. Click on Change icon. Select your desired icon from the icons list. Click on OK. Click on Apply. Click on OK, and close the window. Now, empty recycle bin icon has changed. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers